Good evening all, I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Coming to Nifty chart, we can see today Nifty has opened gap up of about 63 points and whole day it was traded in the same range. Here we can see buyers and sellers are equally strong, hence it has traded ended at the narrow range. Coming to tomorrow, here in a daily time frame, Nifty we can see after two consecutive fall, here today we can see a indecisive candle or a doji candle. In case tomorrow if market opens flat and cross today's high, we can see upward direction, and in case if it breaks downside, we can see a downtrend. Coming to Bank Nifty, again Bank Nifty today opened gap up and we can see today it has traded in a sideways and today Bank Nifty tried to break the today's low but didn't sustain and ended up with negative. Coming to tomorrow, Bank Nifty, we can see this is a resistance and today's low as a support. In case tomorrow Bank Nifty opens flat and breaks today's high, we can see a upward movement. Suppose it breaks today's low, we can expect a downtrend. Coming to stock specific, we can see Infosys, here we can see a downfall and today we can see a green candle which is closed above previous high. So closing previous high. In case suppose tomorrow if price break today's high, we can see a up moment. Again one more stock we have Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance also we can see a uptrend and here we can see a small correction, and also we have a box pattern over here. And in case tomorrow if the price breaks today's high, we can still expect a rally in Bajaj Finance. Again one more stock we have HL. HL also we can see there is a rally and a small we can say profit booking. Again tomorrow if price breaks today's high, we can expect a rally in HL. So these are the three stocks with a good breakout. Thank you all. See you in the next video.